Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can enable NDI on Microsoft Teams. So let's get started. First, you need to know that you can only enable NDI if you're an admin on Microsoft. So if you're an admin, you could open your browser and go to admin.teams.microsoft.com and you could sign in with your work or school admin account. You'll land in the Teams Admin Center dashboard. If it doesn't open or says access denied, that means you're not a Teams admin or your account doesn't have admin role. What you need inside Admin Center is NDI. So once you're inside, you're going to go to the meetings tab and then to meeting policy, and then you'll see an option of enabling allow NDI streaming. So simply enable that. A very important thing to know is that only accounts with global admin or Teams admin can access and change these settings. So that's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out, and I'll see you next time.